Julie's World vlog. Hi. So this is a great week. I think the most fun part is the Color Factory in New York City, which is like this little pop-up museum of color, which was pretty darn awesome. Otherwise, it's another fun week filled with art and food and fun, and thanks so much for watching. Steve and I are in Cambridge, and he is coming with me to the art supply store, a dangerous place for a man to go. Today, I'm here at the Cambridge Art Association. I'm having a meeting with the staff to just talk about my work. Today has been super busy already. So I had my meeting at the Cambridge Art Association. It was really good to sort of talk to them, show them my stuff, get their opinions about stuff. And then Steve and I are now at the house. We're meeting the contractor to talk about some sort of how much everything's really going to cost and all that kind of stuff. And, then my brother's in town and we're going to meet him for dinner. So crazy, big day, lots to do. And I'm going to try to sneak in some work in there too. So I finally finished painting all of the drawer sides. I'm just waiting for them to dry, and then I'm going to wax it, and this will be done. There is epic rain outside. I am working on some new online classes. I'm going to have 4 new classes launched December 1st, so I'm super excited about that. I'm just filming everything and trying to get it edited and all that good stuff. But it feels like a really productive rainy day. I'm here at the new house and I am waxing the dresser, and waxing requires ventilation, and here you can see in this little mudroom we have lots of windows and doors and all that kind of stuff, so health and safety first, but soon I will have a finished dresser. We just got some super cool stamps at the post office. I think these are really neat dragons. Illustration and art is everywhere.
I had to redo because my skill got so much better by the end. The first ones didn't make the cut.
It's just after 6 a.m. and Steve and I are headed to my mom's house to get her. The 3 of us are headed to New York this weekend. Road trip. I think it'll be fun, except that I have to sit in the back. Check out that sunrise. How beautiful is that? Hey, Stott, how's the food?
Let's see.
I'm about halfway through class. It's going really well so far. I changed up some things. Every time I teach classes, I try to tweak and hone them so that they're better than the last time. And I'm really pleased with how it's going. It's a great group of people. And I think people are always really nervous about drawing faces, but we're having fun. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.